the other side of Sunset, just a little bit west of nowhere, you'll find a secret Yowasis where things are just the way they ought to be, with the Yowie watching over all.
Doodly-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. There's nothing more beautiful than Melaleuca rugulosa, the bottle brush. I can't think of anything that could distract me from... Oh, funnel web spider! Oh, you think you're off the menu because you're venomous. But my bandicoot buddies eat you all the time, and they seem fine.
Just kidding, mate. We bandicoots neutralize the funnel web spider's venom. Mighty clever, huh?
So venomous, but so spicy. I shouldn't. But I just did. Crunchy. But where's that peppery kick? Oof, I stubbed my face. What? Did I forget to zip? Oh, right. I don't wear pants. So freeing. I'm feeling a little lightheaded.
Boof's crack up.
Okay. You thought that was something? Get a load of this. Need practice. What else? Oh, a pile of moose dung. Nothing, huh? Phew, tough crowd.
You're dying up there. Hey, that's my shtick.
Oh, I don't want to die. I'm already endangered.
You stink.
The skunk's right. And he knows stink. Yeah, not funny.
Oh, traitors! I put you in my act!
Funny man's getting thin-skinned.
Here, have some of ours.
No, keep your skin on. Back to the show. Oh, hold on. Stay right there. No, don't go! Wait! I'm just getting started!
It is funny when he hurts himself.
My baby!
Ooh, an egg roll! Don't worry, little buddy. Boof's got your back. Booyah! Catch him there!
I knew you could do it.
Oh, looky! A new audience.
We're here for the comedy show.
Yeah, we heard it was a 2 skink minimum.